I'm Stacy Gordon. Welcome to That's My Jam. This time of year, you're going to find plenty of fresh strawberries at your grocery store and your farmer's market. Today, I'm going to show you a really delicious dish that I've been making with this year's crop of strawberries. Now, you're probably already familiar with the Italian salad caprese. Fresh mozzarella, tomatoes, fresh basil. This dish is a spin on that, and instead of the tomatoes, we're going to use a different fruit, our fresh strawberries. This dish is served cold, it's refreshing on a hot summer day, and it is absolutely delicious. I'm going to show you how to make it. Let's get started. This dish calls for a balsamic reduction. We'll start out by measuring 1 cup balsamic vinegar. We'll place that in a heavy, flat-bottomed saucepan. That's going to go on some medium-high heat. Next, I'm going to wash and drain 1 pound of fresh strawberries. I'll just leave these in the colander after I rinse them off so they can drain. Next, I've got some ciliegine. I am sure that I butchered the pronunciation of that, so we're just going to say some mozzarella balls. I'm going to drain these. Now let's go back to our reduction. You can see that it's starting to get hot, but our objective is to wait until we start to see bubbles. When we start to see that coming around the edges of the pan, we're going to reduce this to a medium-low or low heat and let this go for 20 to 25 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and get my dish ready. As you can see, this particular one has compartments. We don't need that. I chose this because I think it's pretty. It belonged to my mom, and I think it's going to look great with this dish. I just went outside and picked these fresh basil leaves. They smell so wonderful. I'm going to get these rinsed off, and I'm going to start drying them out on this paper towel. We want all of the water, the moisture off of these basil leaves. Now would be the perfect time to go tap that like button. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel. Many of the items that you see me use in the TMJ kitchen are available in my Amazon storefront. I've posted a link down below. This reduction has been on a low to medium low heat for 20 to 25 minutes. You can see how nice and thick it's gotten. I'm going to go ahead and remove that from the heat, and it will continue to thicken into the most wonderful nectar you can imagine. Next, I'm going to start cutting up my strawberries. I'll cut off the cap and then place them on their flat side at the top. And then I'll start cutting these up into some beautiful thin slices. As we get these sliced, I'm going to start putting them onto our pretty little glass tray. Lovely. I'm not even going to attempt the Italian word again. So I've got these mozzarella balls, and I'm going to pat these dry and start dotting them throughout our strawberries. Now you can use as many as you like. This looks about right for me. Now we'll bring in our basil. I've patted this dry. We want to make sure the strawberries, the mozzarella, and the basil are all nice and dry. We don't want any water from where we've rinsed those things to be in our salad. We'll get rid of that little stem, and we're just going to place this basil throughout the strawberries and the mozzarella. All the colors of Italy, beautiful. Now, I've got some nice extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to just give this a very, very light drizzle. I'm transferring my balsamic over to this little spouted cup because I don't think that I can pour it the way that I want straight out of the pan. You can see that after it's had time to sit and cool a little bit, oh my goodness, look how thick. This is the most wonderful thick nectar you can imagine. I'm gonna drizzle this on. This is our final step right before serving. And we're gonna get a nice little drizzle of that all across the top. And here it is, folks. Beautiful, delicious, perfect. Guys, this balsamic reduction is so incredibly delicious. You're going to want to make sure to hold on to that recipe. I really think you're going to love this dish. It's a little different and it's perfect for summer. In place of strawberries, this dish can also be made with fresh peaches. I'm going to be trying that recipe very soon. I'm going to be back again with you real soon. In the meantime, turn off the TV, turn on some music, and just keep jamming.